I'm kind of behind. I should have started it when I first took everything apart. I'm fixing the actuator on the door. And then I gotta fix the lock, the exterior lock. Oh shit, drop this stuff. Let me not lose this. And then after that, I gotta do, I'm gonna rewire, let me see, rewire the shifter interlock switch because the people who had it in the shop cut it. And then I believe that's it. It's something else I gotta do, but I'll keep y'all updated. That's it so far. Let me get back to it. Alright, so if I did this right, I put this behind the other video y'all showing what I gotta do. I'm at the junkyard right now, getting this other fucking piece. I gotta get the shifter mechanism out of here. So this is what I'm working with. Trying to do better at getting content. So this is what I'm working with. I already took this off. Now I gotta take the screws out of here. It's basically already up, but I gotta get to the next part. So I'll get back to y'all once I get to it. Alright, this shit giving me a hard time. I had to MacGyver and just basically force this shit out of here. I'm having a hard time because it's dirty as hell. It's out of here. Obviously that's what's catching. I already did one. That one's cool. Gotta do that one. Then another one up there. But I gotta first get this motherfucker out to even get to this one. I can't do nothing at all. So back to it I go. We got what we came for. So now we're on our way to the front. Hope this shit works. And then we can check out another car and see what the hell I can do. It might be a little wobbly. Excuse me for that. So I got the part I need. If I put this shit in here, I'm finna clean some of this shit up and vacuum it out. Got the big shop back in here. Do some collateral damage. Clean this shit up. I'll hit y'all once I get done. Wish me luck. As y'all can see, it's a lot of shit in here. Literally shit. Oh yeah. And this is up too. Yeah, I'll get back to y'all. So I almost forgot to update y'all. I finally fucking figured out what it was. So it wasn't the shifter interlock, it wasn't the shifter solenoid. It turns out it was really these wires, like I said, that they cut that connects to the little I didn't accidentally push it back on here before showing y'all. But it connects right next to the solenoid. Y'all can't see it. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. Right there. That little switch, they had cut that wire. So it was a mixture of this wire being cut that connects right there next to the solenoid. And take it out to the front. This switch right here, which is fuse, which is fuse number 25. It was a mixture of those two things that made it not go into gear. The solenoid and the drive shaft are perfectly fine. I already started cleaning up this seat. Now that I figured that out and I put it back up there, I went ahead and vacuumed out of there, vacuumed under here. Finna get this mug back right before I put all this stuff back together. And then I still gotta get a motor for this one, so I ain't gonna put the seat on just yet. But I had to update y'all just in case if y'all have similar problems. So that's what I'm working with. And then I never showed y'all. Let's see, gotta get another exterior key lock because the one I have is not able to be used. I gotta put this door back in here, which is sitting right there. Put this door back on here, and then I'll be good. Hook all that back up, And this baby is up and running. I'll get back to y'all once I finish putting all the center console back together. I forgot to do another video, but got everything back in right. That's the hole that they cut, as I already showed y'all. Set everything up back right. Put all the little screws back in here. That's holding some sockets right now. Screws back in. The whole center console is back in. Now the only thing to focus on is that door, which, like I said, it needs a external lock. And for some reason the actuator be tweaking out. That's a new one I had got from the junkyard, but it was working. I don't know what's going on with that, so I gotta figure out that's the next problem. But as y'all see, I'm gonna process the vacuum in this mug. I'm gonna come do this side next after I get all these tools up. But y'all already saw I did the back seat already on this side. So once I finish that front side, switch to this back side, vacuum it out, and just wait. Looking to ordering this part, the external part from Amazon, the external lock, I should say. And then, shit, go past these missions after that. And then I know for a fact I need a timing belt. But right now it's working, so I'll use it to the best that I can, as much as I can until I go get a new one. It's coming together. Oh, that shit clear. Alright. So this video, ain't, as y'all see, ain't gonna be that long. It's just basically a bunch of snippets put together. But it's over with the truck. Thought I was gonna be able to revive it, bring it back to life. I mean, I cleaned it and all that, but needed a transmission rebuild. Not worth doing it. So therefore, gonna get rid of it. So putting the, let's see. Of course, putting the seat back together. And then I'm gonna put the door together. And then make some calls and get rid of it and get some money for it. I'll get back to y'all when I'm done. I don't know, I may or may not vlog the process of selling it. We'll see. Get back to y'all later. Confirmation. Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one. Safe travels. Oh, that's a 4LT. Here I come. Yeah, yeah. Eee, this ain't bad either. Clean up, good clean up. Clean up the vinyl. This all original?
Yep.
What year is this?
I don't know.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, what I'm stepping in.
He's been trying to sell it,
Oh, yeah. I've been wanting the older Silverado. Okay, okay. I likes it. I likes it. Yeah. Oh, what the hell is that?
I didn't even look inside.
Need a whole front end.
Oh, man, that's actually beautiful.
There. Dash beautiful. We need a whole front end. Center frame bent back a little bit. Need a new radiator. Lights. I could probably get that from the junkyard. You know what I'm saying?
You can tell, I'm looking at the tires on the back.
I'm looking at the front too.
Been sitting for a minute. So,
Yeah. New tires. Yeah.
always, always.
Let's see what we looking at. Custom crab. 93. Yeah. I like that. I like that. Oh, I'm pushing this little bitch. What y'all think? This what we going for? Popped in my lap, you know what I'm saying? Why not? You know what I'm saying? Might as well take this. May or may not take this motherfucker. See what motherfuckers talking about, you know what I'm saying? It's decent. I definitely pushed this little motherfucker. I wonder if it got a V6 or V8 in this bitch. We finna do some numbers. Up and down. That motherfucking beer. I'm finna get it.
Don't lock it.
No, I'm not.